love resolve. My name is David Gerard. What is your name?
Giovanni.
Giovanni, okay. Do you know what is this?
I don't know the name.
Rubik cube. Yeah, the name is Rubik. Is the best toy in the world. Yeah. Now I will teach you how to resolve this. For first, you need to scramble. Move the different pieces like you want, and you can resolve. You need to choose a color. Who resolve it with this one? Okay. Scramble it first. It's the most easy part. Can I watch your progress? Like this. You just need to move the different sides and do like this. Yeah, if you can solve this cube, we can look different cube like this one. Where you Where?
From America.
Your state? No, your state.
In North Carolina.
I'm from Puebla, Mexico. I will resolve another one. This one. This is a so easy cube. You can do speed, or you can do another cube. Try it and try it and try it. Yeah! You are the first person that I know that you can do it at the first time. Fue un gusto verte. Fue un gusto hablar contigo. I like to talk with you. Goodbye.